Buckthorn, dried. But what are the health benefits of dry buckthorn, a traditional therapeutic plant? What are the long-term consequences of taking it? The advantages of dried buckthorn. Buckthorn is scientifically known as Hippophae rhamnoides, and it is a medicinal plant that has been utilized in alternative and herbal medicine since time immemorial. Dry buckthorn is thought to help in the treatment and control of the following diseases. Arthritis is a disease that affects the joints. Diabetes. Eczema is a skin condition that affects many people. Hypertension, high blood pressure. It is high in fat. Infections are a concern. Rosacea is a skin condition that affects women. Although the number of clinical trials investigating the advantages of dried buckthorn is limited, research findings suggest that it has a number of medical and health benefits, including the following. 1. Aids in the treatment of skin disorders. According to a study conducted on a group of people suffering from eczema, also known as atopic dermatitis, those who took sea buckthorn tablets for 4 months saw a considerable improvement. 2. Aids in the healing of wounds. According to animal studies, using buckthorn topically to wounds can speed up the healing process. In a study, scientists discovered that buckthorn seed oil, administered topically to wounds, aided in the faster healing of burn wounds in animals. 3. Assists in the management of diabetes. According to the results of a study, buckthorn aids in the control of blood sugar levels and functions as a preventive measure against type 2 diabetes. Safety of dry buckthorn. There is insufficient scientific data to identify a safe or effective dose of buckthorn, and the optimum dose is determined by a number of factors, including the individual's age, gender, and overall health. The following points should be read to determine whether dry buckthorn is safe. Buckthorn is probably safe when eaten or ingested in acceptable amounts found in food portions, and the fruit is probably safe when taken orally for medical purposes. There is little evidence about the safety of buckthorn when applied to the skin because no clinical studies have been conducted, however it can produce skin redness or itching in some people. Special warnings and precautions. The following are some of the special precautions and warnings that apply to dry buckthorn. Pregnancy and breastfeeding are two of the most important aspects of a woman's life. Because there is not enough credible information about buckthorn for pregnant or breastfeeding women, it is best to avoid it during those times. 2. Young people. Buckthorn is possibly safe when given orally to children aged 1 to 7 years for up to 6 weeks. 3. Bleeding problems. Individuals with bleeding issues may be negatively affected by buckthorn. When eating sea buckthorn, some people may have excessive bleeding and bruising. 4. Hypertension. Buckthorn may lower blood pressure when consumed, but this conclusion was reached without any scientific evidence, therefore, patients with high blood pressure should avoid it. 5. Surgical procedures. Buckthorn, as previously indicated, may cause extra bleeding during or after the surgical process by slowing blood coagulation. As a result, you should refrain from utilizing sea buckthorn for at least 2 weeks before any surgery.